What is up, guys? Check it out. Everybody here is getting lined up to make their way up the Bremen Highway. Man, I can hear the sprinklers kicking on here at O'Reilly's. But we're getting lined up and getting ready. I'm waiting on a phone charger to come to me so I can charge the phone, and there's a notification that Trap My Ride is live, guys. But I figure I'd film for a minute while everybody's getting lined up and getting ready. Some people already rode out. There goes the Stang Banger. Some of them already rode out to Raw. Yeah, there it is. Everybody getting lined up and ready. We coming out, man. There's Sherman in the Sherman. Yeah. Ooh, there they go. Yeah, he got the Beamer. Ooh. Hold up. Got the Rob in the office, man. Yeah. Check him out, check him out. Yeah. Woo, that's that. Now listen, man, y'all listen, when you ride through town, be cool. Because these napping cops will pull your asses over, man. Yeah, got Jonathan up there, man. He needs to hit them lights. Get him going, man. If you see me, get him blinking. Ooh. Yeah. Man, that bike is loud. What up, man? We see you. So, whoop. Yeah, there he is. He got the Beamer. What up, man? Yeah, looking good, man. Clean. Sherman in the Sherman. They blowing his phone up, man. Woo, there it is. What up, Chief? He don't like American cars, but he's rolling that the night, man. Be careful, brother. And there it is. She got the phone out too. She's videoing that. You see? Johnny, you need to get them lights on, man. Get them hitting.
I thought you were going home to get charged.
She is. She went without me. What up, Brett? You excited for tonight, man?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going to have a good time. It was a good turnout out here, man.
Yeah.
That's good for, like, Napanee.
Well, we lost 4 or 5.
Yeah, well, yeah, a bunch of them already took off, yeah.
But yeah, well, it's solid. Now
Yeah.
we're off to the Myers.
Yeah, we're finna have a good time. Everybody's up there. No Crew, Wolfpack, everybody we know. Yeah. Yes, sir. Man, Camaro looking good. And I swear, man, look, check it out. You see? You see through the phone why I call it orange, or does it look red to you through the phone too?
I can see the orange, man.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I call it orange, man. I can't tell. It messes with me, man. It's red, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Todd, he got them on. Man. There he is. What it do, man? Woo! Blinking. Chino. Woo! Johnny, he gonna lead the way tonight, man. Yeah, let's check him out, man. Oh, snap. He's finna get us all pulled over, man. We all going to Westville tonight with that. Woo! Check him out, man. Chino looking clean.
I got mine tomorrow.
He said he got his tomorrow. Man, you can't run that while we driving, guys. Not that red and blue. No, sir. Now, I think these is legal. These white and ambers. I think that's legit. Yeah. But everybody out here, man, we lined up. Everybody getting ready to roll.
Ready?
I think so. I'm walking back this way. I see Rob back there somewhere. Jonathan.
Jonathan, you ready?
Well, I'm waiting on my ride, man. All I got 2 feet and a heartbeat right now. I'm waiting for her to come back with that charger. They all be left without me. I'll be like, damn, where'd they go? Lamborghinis. Yeah. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Damn, that thing just blew up. I thought, damn. He rolling coal on you, and that thing don't even roll coal. Yeah, got the TRD, the camera. Damn. Man, that thing pops and stinks like hell, too. Damn, Sherman. Boy, that thing pops like hell, don't it? Yeah. Zoom, 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 zoom. Yeah, check him out, man. He lit up. He purple. That's legal, man. Yeah, and there's Rob. Trap My Ride mobile office, and this thing is gleamed up. Look at these taillights, man. Hit the brake on us, Rob. Yeah. Woo. Man, if you can't tell when that dude stopped, you got a problem. And look at this thing. You see the whole Riley's over here, man. It's like a black mirror finish. Damn. He like Biggie Smalls in that thing, man. That's who I need to ride with. We just need to ride with Rob tonight. Yeah. Look at all them freaking headlights, man. Look at all of them. Damn, and he's got fog lights too. Like, that's not enough. Like, he's got some more down there. Damn. What are you trying to see through, man?
Really, you live out in the middle of fucking nowhere. You gotta see something.
Man, I guess. You see a long way with them. All the way from the middle of nowhere, clear to town with them things. Damn. But that's it, guys. That's the lineup, man. Let's see if I can get this flip around. Yeah, but that's the lineup, guys. I'm just waiting on the ride and the Charger to come back, and then we're going to be headed up there tonight, man. So hopefully everybody's up there having a good time. There's a good turnout, and we all going to come join them, man. That's what we're doing, guys. That's what it is. We will see you all in the next one. Keep on trapping.